Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the College Arms pub in Hall Green, Birmingham. Unfortunately the pub has closed and you can just see it between the trees in the distance. Down below there was the car park and the amazing gardens. There was a pub first built here in 1913 and the current building was built in 1935. To the right here was the old entrance before the fence was built and before it was all knocked down, the car park, and that was the old way up into the green. There was two brick staircases leading up. It was an amazing sight, and you can imagine all the grounds that the pub had, and it's all completely gone. I must say it's a credit to the lads here that are keeping the club going. The green's not in the best condition. We had a lot of rain just before this match was played, so it's not in the best nick. But the lads are keeping, and girls are keeping, the College Arms name going in the bowling world for now. This photo was taken from the road a few years ago, and you can see how immaculate the green looks. As always, thank you for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.